Adreina.caballero here with my home group, and today I'm here with Tara Lipke from BFS Home Warranty Services, and we're going to talk to you about buying a home warranty for the biggest investment of your life. When you purchase a home, the seller often will provide you with the first year home warranty. A home warranty, you can think of it kind of like insurance. Basically, it covers the major things that actually generally tend to have the most cost if you have to do repairs on them, like the HVAC unit, the hot water heater. Sometimes they have some roof coverage, plumbing. If you have a pool, it will also cover the pool equipment with the pool warranty that you can purchase in addition to your home warranty, and also you can buy additional coverage that will cover your appliances. And as you all know, that can be expensive if you need to repair or replace those. And the way that it works is that if you have an issue with one of those systems or one of those items, you give a call to your home warranty company, and for generally like about a $65 to $70 service call fee, they'll send out a technician to take care of those items. And if they can't be fixed, then most of the time they'll replace them at no cost to you except for that initial service call fee. And Tara today is going to go over what her company does and some standard reasons as to why you would want to get a home warranty with your purchase.
Hi everyone, I'm Tara with BFS Home Warranty, and I'm here today to explain to you the benefits of having a home warranty in place when you move into your new home. Moving can be very costly. You've got down payments and closing costs and the moving truck and the paint, and all of that just really adds in. New furniture, getting kids enrolled in school. It's a very stressful, chaotic, hectic time, not to mention expensive. So the last thing you want to have to worry about is covering the cost of repairs when you are in your new home. You also don't want to have to mess around with, going online and finding the contractors that might be able to help you and getting quotes and all of that. Getting a home warranty takes all of that out of the equation for you. So home warranties generally cover the things that homeowners insurance doesn't. So homeowners insurance covers like major catastrophic kinds of repairs. Home warranties cover the more minor stuff, that happens inside the home and to the HVAC system. Don't let the word minor fool you, though. They can be very expensive. Replacing an air conditioning unit can cost upwards of $6,000 to $7,000 at least. A home warranty will cover that cost for you. If the air conditioner needs to be repaired, then it is covered under the home warranty. If it needs to be replaced, that should be covered as well. In addition to the hot water heater and most of your household appliances. So in addition to being cost effective for just a few $100s a year, not a month, but a year, you can get coverage on all of these systems and appliances in your home, but it also brings you a really great sense of peace of mind that if something breaks and needs to be repaired in your new home, not only are you covered for the cost of it, but it also takes the guesswork out of finding a contractor to do that for you as well. So I do highly recommend it, even if you don't go with my company. I hope you do, but even if you don't, then I do recommend getting one when you move into your new home. If you have any questions about home warranties in general or my company specifically, please feel free to contact me. Thanks. Have a great day.